guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. My name's Nichelle and I'm a Goan who lives in London. So this is my daily routine and I love creating videos for like fashion vlogs or daily routine morning vlogs. So I just woke up and it's around like 7:30ish. So I usually wake up at this time every day and I love creating content like so much. I'm obsessed with it. So anytime I'm free, I love doing it. It gives me so much of peace. So I just woke up and I thought of like washing some utensils and just clean around. So it makes me feel good, or else I won't be starting off my tea. So I'm just cleaning it first, and then I also put my laundry in the washing machine. So I'm getting that done quickly because I have another load to be done as well. And I'm just like washing all around here, which makes me actually happy, and I love doing these things. It's not that I'm like forced to do it or so. I actually love cleaning ASMR kind of vlogs. So I love doing this. And no plans for the day actually. I'm just gonna go out. You know how it is. Like London life, busy routine, daily routine, like restock every grocery, and it I don't need, but you tend to get those things. So actually I have to like go to get some groceries as well, just a few, just bread, milk and stuff. I also like don't know what should I even get, because I have to like see what I should and should not, because if I like tend to get a lot of things, it just goes to a waste. So I just put on my tea and I'm making it my favorite karak chai in the morning. I really need this so much. So I'm just getting my first load done, and I also just put the second load as well. So I'm just getting this done, and it's not that sunny, it's just bright. Everything, it looks fake here. It looks a bit sunny, but it's not actually. So it's just cold with bright weather. So you also see I'm wearing a dressing gown. So my second load is in, and I had a lot of clothes to be washed as well. So of course selfies we need in the morning. Self-care routine is always on the go. So I'm always the first one who wakes up every morning. I'm the first one. So today's for breakfast we have crumpets. These are my absolute favorite. I just put on some nice butter with it, and a cup of tea is all that I need. I don't have much heavy breakfast, but this is much needed. Also, I'm just gonna have this and enjoy my morning time, my me time alone. Actually, I love waking up early and just looking around and doing things I like. Before, actually, I should like wake up way earlier. So this life makes me happy, and I'm just enjoying my breakfast now. So see you then in a while. And I quickly had my breakfast and came out to put some more clothes, because I like it to put it early in the morning because it's quite bright and kind of sunny. So that's why I do it pretty quick. Also, then I just got this done, and then I also did my bedding. So firstly in the morning, I always like to do this. I like to keep my bed nice and clean, though it's a bit dusty. Or actually I was supposed to like clean it today and change new sheets actually. So I had to like go out, and then it takes a lot of time, at least 2 hours. It's just not that I'm just cleaning or putting new sheets, it's just also that I vacuum the floor as well, because it gets quite dusty here. So I thought of doing that next week maybe. So just came in and turned out the curtains and also like opened the window, so it gives me nice and fresh air. I pretty much get suffocated all the time. It's too locked in this room. So this is the bedding I did. It's pretty much clean now, I feel. So what should I wear? Oh my gosh, like I have to like decide. Probably not gray, maybe a sweatshirt. I don't know, it's quite hot outside, so I don't know like what to wear. Probably I'm just gonna like take anything from here. I don't know what to wear. This is something in orange. This door automatically just closes. I just don't like it. Let me just wear this and this. So let's see. I'm going to carry this one today. And I made it here, also getting some bananas so I could make a nice banana bread and some butter too. I have half of that, but I need one more. And also this garlic and onion bolognese pasta sauce, which I like. Also, I'm not gonna grab this because I have too much food left at home, and some pita bread that we need, and that's it. I just needed pretty much a few of these groceries. Also, tissues is one of my most important product that I get every time I come. And next stop is of course Home Bargains. I usually get all my bath essentials in Home Bargains because it's quite good. Actually, I think so. It's same price for all, even Asda. And also this bamboo baskets, like I don't know, it looks really cute, but it kind of smells, so I did not get that. And I came to Quality Food, so I usually come here now as well. This has been my third stop actually, and they had bunch of different fruits. It looks so fulfilling. Look at these mangoes right here. I'm gonna pick up at least 4 of these and let's try how it is. So also gonna get some chicken patty for burger that I take for my lunchbox, and also just gonna get this billing done. So that's it for in Quality. Also gonna come up to my favorite store, that is TK Maxx, and spotted this pink bags here. So many pink bags, but of course I don't need any bags because I have tons of it and I don't go anywhere, literally nowhere. Also this butter tray looks really nice, and this teapot right here. Also, I came up looking at these pillows, the cushions. It looks so cute, like so cute. I can't even tell you how cute it looks. All of these, a set of 2 will cost you like £24, which is absolutely good for TK Maxx, I feel. So unless and until it's brand new. So, and saw this pretty cute butterfly pillow which was so nice. I don't know, there was no price tag on it, so actually I got this one, and guess how much it is for? Like so cheap. I'm getting it for £6. Like it's quite good actually. And also this lamp right here is the one that I have at home. It's the same one. I'm so obsessed with lamps as well. Every home decor things, anything I'm obsessed with, like everything. You can't say nothing, no. Anything is my favorite actually. So this is my favorite spot to live. I absolutely love this place, and also why not come here? I would definitely come here again and again to see some mugs. Hello, I'm just back home, and first of all, welcome to my channel. And I'm just back home. I need to take a shower because I'm sweating. I can't tell you how hot it is outside. I don't know, the weather keeps changing every now and then, so it's really very hot. Just look at the weather. Just see how sunny it is. Everyone has kept their clothes for drying, me as well. And It's quite hot in here. Just look at the summer vibes in London. So I just came and I just got home from grocery shopping. Just bread, just basic things what I need. So I'm gonna go take a shower, have lunch, and let's see what I do next. Probably baking a nice cake, probably. So let's do that. And here's my lunch for the day. This biryani I made yesterday, so I could have a nice chill day today, and that would not take a lot of time. So I could also go out and come somewhere, so I could that that idea is much more better to like cook previously and keep. So I just got some fruits that I have to like keep in my cabinet. So I just picked up some jackfruit, and let's see how it is. I don't know, I never tried this before. I don't know if it's like fresh or what. Also, like, got some mangoes that I told you I would get, so I got 3 of these, and I'm gonna cut one and see how it is. Actually, hopefully it's really nice, so I feel like it's gonna be good. And here it is. Oh, it's really yum. I can't wait. The smell of this is divine. Like, these mangoes look really yum. Just look how clean it looks. I can't wait to eat this. Also, I'm just gonna grab some grapes as well that I had got last time. So I'm just gonna have this. It's really fresh. So it's gonna be a nice fruit day. So I'm just gonna have this and have some me time. So I pretty much have nothing to do, guys. Nothing. I'm done with all my work. I just have to chill in bed using my laptop or even dozing probably. So I'm just gonna have this while I watch something. And also I got my freshly baked clothes from outside. I'm just gonna like do this really quick because I don't like to keep it for long. Then it gets me really lazy. Once I'm in bed, I don't feel like waking up. I mean, like, getting on to doing something. So I pretty much do it right that time, or sometimes I even do it downstairs while I just picked up the clothes, because it gets quite easy to like fold and get it upstairs. So pretty much I'm doing this really quick because I don't like hanging around. Also, I'm just gonna place it right in place because then it makes my room much cleaner and neat. So that is what I like it about. And it gets really, what to say, messy if I don't put that. So also came down to make some tea. You saw that coming. So I'm just come to have some nice tea, come cut up chai. Also, I just sat outside because the weather seemed really nice. I just like was chilling outside and having a nice cup of tea. The weather was really nice and cool. It wasn't that hot, I would say. It was pretty much normal, like 13-15 degrees outside. So I'm just having my cup of tea while I enjoy this beautiful backyard outside. And that is it. I'm just gonna have this forminas that was made by my roommate, and that's it. I'm just gonna close the curtains now and watch something nice. So it was shower time, and I just got nice freshly showered. Also put on a nice new pajama set. So this was very old. I had got this from West Side just 2 years ago. So I'm just gonna apply some nice cream sort of. And yes, I got this quarterly serum, which is absolutely perfect. I'm gonna give a nice review on this, actually, an unboxing kind of a video. So then I was craving Wingstop, so I just got this order, and trust me, I got this on an app called Delivery. Deliveroo actually, and it was a nice combo.
The next day.
Hey guys, it's the next day, it's the next evening actually, and I'm actually like I'm craving for banana walnut cake. This is the absolute easiest moist cake ever, and I tried this many a times, and I'm actually doing it after quite long actually. The last time I did was almost 1 year 2 months late ago actually, or probably like 1.5 year ago. Not more than that. No, I think it's just 1 year ago. So I'm just gonna do this, and for the evening actually, let's see how it turns out. So I've just added some bananas and melted some butter. Of course, it's quite easy to do it. Also added 4 eggs, and you can see the plain flour right there. And 1 cup, I actually added half cup of sugar, but 1 cup is needed. So I also tend to forget how much I did that because I don't know. So I'm just gonna like mix it really well, and I'm doing it after like quite long, so I just kept this thing. Guess what I'm making? I'm making banana bread, so I'm making banana walnut cake. And I mixed it really well. Also gonna add some walnuts as well. I just had few of those. I forgot to get another pack yesterday when I went to get some groceries. Also, just look at this mess. I just hate doing it, so I just cleaned it first and then added some walnuts. I just had few of these. I obviously just forgot to get another packet, so I just came to my cousin's place to bake this cake because we don't have oven at home as it doesn't work. So I'm just gonna bake it here and see how it turns out, because I'm making this after quite long, so I forgot how to make it actually. So I'm just gonna keep it on 180 degrees. So I'm just gonna do this first for like 45 minutes, and you see that puffiness. Oh my gosh, this is pretty burnt cake. I left it for too long and it just got burnt. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Bye. Thank you for